Hey guys, welcome to NitroRCX.com, and today we're looking at the MadWarrior Nitro vehicle Truggy. The Mad series from Nitro RCX is an awesome line of vehicles. It's lower to the ground, it's more agile, so if you're looking for something where you can corner faster and do more longer jumps, faster speed, definitely check out the MadWarrior. Similar to the MadFire, which is the buggy version, the MadWarrior is the Truggy version. Truggy meaning it has a wider stance and fatter and wider tires. Kind of like a mix between a truck and a buggy, which is dubbed the Truggy. So MadWarrior Truggy, once you pull it out of the box, it's fully assembled. This is how you're going to get it. 2.4 gigahertz transmitter it's pretty much the transmitter that comes with all our vehicles. It has the dual rate trim, the throttle trim, and it has the smooth feeling steering wheel. Truggy wing on the back to keep stability. Look at that wide track, knobby tires, beautiful chrome tires. Front and rear, these are 17mm hex tires, so you can use buggy tires if you want to shorten the track, and even use monster truck tires if you wish to go with bigger wheels. These are the Truggy tires, kind of a race tire, and beautiful chrome wheels so that when you're far away they actually gleam at you. Let's go ahead and remove the body and take a look at the guts of this Truggy. You're going to have a 0.28 engine on the race edition and a 0.21 engine on the limited edition. Also comes with 2 servos, one for the steering and one to handle throttle duties. You have front and rear brakes, and you also get that waterproof electronic system on the Nitro version as well. You have a fuel tank on the Nitro version and a tuned exhaust pipe. Lots of aluminum. Look at those big bore aluminum shocks, 16mm threaded collars, so they're adjustable on the fly. They're oil filled and provide very plush dampening. You see sway bars on that front suspension there to aid in your handling characteristics. You have CVT drive shafts in the front, traditional dog bones on the rear. This is shaft-driven 4-wheel drive with a center differential. Thick aluminum top plate to hold your steering together and keep it nice and tight. You have adjustable turnbuckles front and rear, so you can adjust camber, toe, all the adjustments you want on a racing vehicle. Look at all the adjustments on the shock tower, so you can move the shocks in or out for progressiveness or linear movement for the shocks. Some people like the sound of Nitro running. You get the sound feedback. You're getting about 15 to 20 minutes on a tank of gas. And some of the benefits on the Nitro version is that you have consistent power with that full tank of gas. And if you want to keep on running, all you have to do is refill the gas tank. There's no downtime with charging the battery. You will need a Nitro starter kit and fuel to start that engine, and you have an adjustable wing so you can tune the downforce of this vehicle when you're taking jumps. So let's take a look at the bottom chassis. Full aluminum, nice and thick, built to last, built for reliability and durability. If you take a closer look at the chassis itself, you see lightning cuts to keep this, since there's so much aluminum on it, they did some lightning cuts to make it lighter. So guys, that's a quick look at the MadWarrior Truggy. This is the Truggy version. If you like the buggies, take a look at the MadFire, and if you like trucks, take a look at the Mad Beast. If you want more detailed specs and pictures on this vehicle, head on over to NitroRCX.com, and that's going to conclude our quick look for this Truggy.